Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will continue working on Highcharts. In last video, we have added 3D interactive bar chart, and in this video, we will add print and download functionality to it. So basically, we will allow our users to download or print the chart so they can easily share the data or use that in their presentation. So let's start. So this is the 3D bar chart we have created in our last video, and in this video we will add customizations to it. The first customization is to add button, the button which allows users to click for print or download charts. So to add button, first we need to import exporting module from Highcharts. So we will go here and say import from Highcharts itself, then modules, and then exporting. We have imported the Highcharts exporting module. Now we will use it. So for that, all we need to do is, first of all, we can just copy this and we will add it here. So basically it's checking that if its Highcharts is already available, then we will use that exporting module and display the button. So you see that this is the button. I will change its style, but for first check this out, how it looks and what it shows. So let's say we want to download PDF document. Okay, so it's completed. So PDF document, and here we can see how it looks. So it looks very clear. We can easily use this as a reference in presentation, adding small customization to this style. So we can easily modify the color of bar charts, we can modify the color of background, so many things we can apply styling to it by just adding the configuration. So we will start adding configurations first, and there is also an option to add real style like CSS to the chart, and we can have very customized or personal design for the chart as well. But for now, we will use what is available through the configuration. So first thing is you can change the background color first. Then we can also change the black. For now it's just a test, but you can put any hex code you like. So you can also change the color of text. We have changed background color for our charts. Now we will change the color for title. So first we will use the title color, and for that you just specify that you are adding the style, and then which style you want to add. We want to just change the color first. So I'm going to use white color, but a little bit lighter white. We'll see how it looks. And first we will test this out. Okay, so it looks good. And now we will change the, now for subtitle we will use the same color for now. So here I added the style for, so now we need to change the style configuration for title and subtitle color. Now next step is, first we will change color of the bars, the vertical bars, and after that we will adjust the legend style according to, here is, we will just disable the default one and we will start adding customization. So for that, first of all we will go one by one. So we have to separate it out like every data, and here we will add color, and for example we will add tomato color. the first category. So it will basically replicate, edit only one category and the data to it. So first we'll check that, and then we will continue adding other categories. Right now, okay, so it changed color from blue color to the tomato color, but we only showed the silly copy this, and we need to change it to different one. So here we have, first of all, we will just copy from this one and we will add to here, and here we maybe yellow color. It won't look good, but for now we will just add that. And then second category is BMW, so we will add BMW here. All right, blue or cyan color. This looks good. Add first all the data here. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 data, so we already have 1 2 3 4, and we will add 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now we're going to change each data and category one by one. Configuration, like we are adding like category, mapping it to the data and changing the color, but we can always use the map and do it programmatically. So we'll utilize that first, and then we will add the programmatical data. Warm gray, teal. So pink is working. Yes, it's the category name only. So for now we don't want to change the point format. It will basically modify the text we are showing. So now we will check. See Toyota 1318. This is the like Toyota car sold number is 1318. So we will try to change it, but for now we know like which car will tape with like Toyota, BMW, but we also want to show the modified type. First of all, we will put the point format, show us car sold. Now we need to know like which brand it is. We are going to change the header format. So right now it's blank, but we will going to add series dot name, and we will. So now it shows that Toyota car sold this number. Is to update the color of this font, and then we will also enable the legend, and we need to make the space between like the specific width and space here. So for that, first labels like x-axis and y-axis, and also the legend, we need to enable it. So first thing, we will change the label color here, so we can easily specify that. Use this similar one, the hex code lighter white. So this, and then we just add for y-axis, and now we will check, and then we will enable the legend. Okay, so it looks good, like same color here. We will enable the legend. So here we specify it false, so we will remove it. We will also specify the color of the style, because otherwise it would just be default black and we wouldn't see the color. So we will just specify the color here, and then you can also specify the color of item style. It will be each item color. So here I'm going to specify color, and that would be the similar one which we have added everywhere else. And now for Toyota, which one is for BMW? We can also change the color of our. All right. So now if we hover it, it would be the white color and we can easily see it. So the thing is to add the spacing between bars, and for that we can add configuration like the padding. So how much padding do we want? I'm putting 0.3, and we are also going to add group padding because we are using series. So for that I'm going to add the series padding to 0 and space between bars. So let's and the last thing is we will make this div onto the center and a little bit smaller so we can see as a card. We will adjust some width. So we are using tailband CSS, and I'm going to put the 7XL because right now we have only one div representing this bar chart. So we can make it wider. Perfect. We added configurations for how to modify legend, title color, background, how we can modify the bar colors and spacing. So we added quite a configuration. In next video we could just try the existing Figma design file and replicate into our app.